the mic or not. I don't know. Okay, so right now we're gonna Brady, we're gonna we're gonna make a cup. Make the hole. We're gonna make that 18. Okay, we're gonna make the other side 18. This, I gotta move this out of the way.
Now you have to make
It's in the way here. This is 18. Okay, I'm gonna lift it a little bit up. I'm gonna move it over. I'm gonna align these two. Okay. Oops. Align. Oops. No. I'm gonna align this.
the cup's a little right.
Okay, and then we're gonna group it. Cool. Now I have my cup. Okay, great, Brady. What do I do from here? So then I have my cup. So then what?
You have to bring in a big square.
Big square. And then what do I do with that?
You have to put the.
Do I make the cup a hole?
Yeah.
Okay, and then.
Put it inside the square.
Okay.
And then make it transparent.
Do I need it to be that big? No, huh? I'm going to align it. Okay, and then I make what transparent?
The like square.
Oh, the square is transparent. Okay.
And then that's like done. Wait.
I haven't grouped it though.
Yeah, you have to.
I gotta group it. Okay. Okay, so that's done. And then I do the gradient. Guys, what are you doing? Oh, I don't want that. I don't know. Delete. No, cancel. Why does this work?
Just do everything I said to do.
Okay, so there's the gradient.
You should do touchscreen. Try doing it on the
I don't know, my mouse button won't.
Wait.
There we go.
You can't do that. Stretch it out.
I'm trying to do some right now, so I can't talk to you.
Yeah, stretch it out. Yeah. No.
That doesn't mean you get to leave, Bruce. That doesn't mean you get to leave. Nope. Sit down. Okay, so then I make it bigger, and then I bring in the color I want. So if I want like my, box to be like, I don't know, this is a cool color right here. It's pretty. This one's pretty.
Now don't make it.
That's pretty.
Use the square.
We can do like something cool like this. I don't know why I have this. I don't need that.
This doesn't work.
So then I go like this. I see that green box to be a little bit bigger than the cup. What's wrong?
Oh wait, I think Clip got it. Brady, look.
What happened? Yeah, there it is. It's in the center. So now I just. Oh, we have to make the key is you got to make this shape a hole, and then you group it, and then you turn to multicolor, and that's it.
Oh, maybe because my colors
Here's the
are
next one. Okay, thank you, Brady. Came out beautiful.